Connect.Control is the intuitive new Bluetooth wireless lighting range from Aurora. Built around Bluetooth mesh technology, it allows for a simple, plug-and-play, hub-free solution for smart lighting in your home, whilst offering an upgrade path if you would like to add additional levels of control. At level 1 of control are our starter kits. Ready to go straight out of the box, our starter kits offer the simplest way to get control of your lights without any form of setup or app required. Available in 4 versions, E27, B22, GU10 and LED strip, it really couldn't be easier to bring wireless lighting control into your home. Simply install your light fitting, turn on the power and immediately take control from the remote, cycling through 6 RGB colours, 5 pre-programmed scenes, as well as colour temperature and brightness control, all without touching an app. To get going, install your new light fittings and switch on the power. They will default to a 4000K cool white. Next, grab the Connect.Control remote and install the supplied batteries. This will work immediately without any configuration or setup required. Use the on-off keys to immediately switch all connected lamps off and on again. Brightness can be adjusted in 10 steps from high to low and vice versa by clicking the sun buttons. Pushing and holding for a gradual brightness level change. Likewise, colour temperature is adjusted in the same way by clicking the K plus and K minus. 10 steps from cool white to warm white. Or again, holding for a smooth transition. Use the light bulb icon to cycle through 6 pre-programmed RGB colours: red, yellow, green, cyan, blue and magenta. Finally, you can select one of 5 pre-programmed scenes using the numeric keypad. 4000K cool white, 2700K at 20%, purple, amber or light blue. Remember, all of this straight from the box, no programming or app required. And there you have a brief introduction to the brand new Connect.Control Bluetooth lighting system from Aurora. Don't forget to check out our other Connect Control videos, adding devices, dedicated remotes and app control. For more information, visit auroralighting.com/connect.control.